Late nights on the Northern Line, rain on the window pane, jazz in the headphone, still chasing something. Southside breeze when the city's still awake. Gray skies hanging, but I'm making my escape. Train track coming like a baseline below. Every station got a story that nobody knows. Coffee shop dreamers and the workers on the grind. Lost souls searching for a little peace of mind. I seen rich men stressed and poor men with pride. Funny how the money can't decide what's inside. Saxophone echoes through the backstreet bars. Kids writing verses while they staring at the stars. Everybody fighting for a piece of the light, trying to stay strong through the cold New York nights. I got memories painted in the smoke from the rain. Old friends disappeared, never heard from again. But the rhythm keeps moving and the heart stays true. Every scar tells a story when you're making it through. Life goes round like the wheels on the train. Up one day, then you're down again. Still we rise when the pressure remains. New York soul running deep through the veins. Life goes round, hear the jazz band play. Dark clouds fade, see a brighter day. Head held high when the skies turn gray. We keep moving, we keep finding our way. Street lights flicker on the wet concrete. Jazz chords floating while the kick drum speaks. Old records spinning in the secondhand store. Got me thinking about the days that we can't restore. Everybody wants a shortcut route to the crown, but the strongest people build from the ground. I've been broke, I've been blessed, I've been both in a week. Still learning every lesson that the city wanna teach. Hear the sirens in the distance, life moves fast. Future in my hands, but I'm respecting the past. From the bus stop talks to the late night rise. There's 1,000 little worlds on these underground lines. So I write what I live, every word got weight. Trying to turn all the struggle into something great. And if tomorrow never comes, let it be known I was chasing real life, not a throne made of gold. Life goes round like the wheels on the train. Up one day, then you're down again. Still we rise when the pressure remains. London soul running deep through the veins. Life goes round, hear the jazz band play. Dark clouds fade, see a brighter day. Head held high when the skies turn gray. We keep moving, we keep finding our way. Rain falls, train doors close. Another chapter, another road. Jazz played, soft in the background. London keeps breathing, and we're still here.